Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Don't forget, grab your smartphone and download the Lava Matra app and stay in touch. Guru Maharaj's message is your advantage. The following is a reading from the new Sri Krishna Chaitanya book by His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj on June 24th, 2020 in Sri Mayapur, India.
Chalam Pangalang Ayate Garam Yatchithatavahanmane Sri Guru Nityanam Paramananda Madhavam Sri Chaitanya Islam Hare Om Tat Sat. So yesterday we had the virtual Rath Yatra.
So yesterday we had the virtual Rath Yatra.
I hope you all enjoyed it.
I hope you all enjoyed it.
Lord Jagannath Baladev Subhadra have given their mercy
Lord Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra had given their mercy
all around the world.
all around the world.
Please send in your realizations or
Please send in your realizations or
at www.mercyonwheel.com. We also remind everyone, encourage everyone
We also remind everyone and encourage everyone
to please pray to the deities
to please pray to the deities
that Krishna so pleases.
that if Krishna so pleases,
He may give back His Holiness Bhakti Maharaj's health.
He may give back His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami Maharaj's health.
Today we're reading how remembrance of the Lord is actual wealth.
Today we are reading how the remembrance of the Lord is the actual wealth and forgetfulness of Him is actual calamity.
প্রভু বাক্যে ভক্তগণের জয়ধ্বনি শ্রীমুখের পরম কারণ্য বাক্য শুনি চতুর্দিকে ভক্তগণ করে জয়ধ্বনি
Hear the merciful, compassionate words
Hearing the merciful, compassionate words
from the Supreme Personality of Godhead's lotus mouth.
from the Supreme Personality of Godhead's lotus mouth.
The devotees from all directions started to chant the glories of Hari.
The devotees from all the directions started to chant the glories of Lord Hari,
Chanting Jai Jai,
chanting Jaya Jaya,
Hari Bol,
Hari Bol,
and various sounds of Jai.
various sounds of Jai.
শোক শতন
Bhaktivinoda Thakur
শ্রীবাসের প্রতি চৈতন্য প্রসাদ দেখিয়া সকল জন জয় শ্রী চৈতন্য জয় নিত্যানন্দ বলি নাচে ঘন ঘন
Seeing Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu shows such favorable grace to Srivas Pandit, all the devotees present there began to dance ecstatically, and they repeatedly shouted, Jai Sri Chaitanya, Jaya Nityananda, with resounding voices.
the devotees of Nitai Gaur
The devotees of Nitai Gaur
are very responsive,
are very responsive,
and as soon as they saw how the Lord was giving such mercy, such compassion
as soon as they saw the Lord giving such mercy, such compassion
to Srivas Pandit,
to Srivas Pandit,
they became very joyful.
they became very joyful.
They chanted Haribol and
They chanted
died, Sri Chaitanya Jai Nityananda.
They started to chant Hari Bol, Jai Sri Chaitanya, Jai Nityananda.
They're dancing in ecstasy.
And they were dancing in ecstasy.
Actually, in this material world,
Actually, in this material world,
one doesn't see such an expression of grace.
we don't see such expression of grace.
But here, Lord Chaitanya, Supreme Personality of Godhead,
But here, Lord Chaitanya, the Supreme Personality of Godhead,
He is coming and showing His grace and compassion
He is coming and showing His grace and compassion
to His devotees,
to His devotees,
especially to Srivas Prabhu.
especially to Srivas Prabhu.
He has shown today His mercy.
As so,
Today His mercy.
show today His mercy.
You see, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is combination of Radha and Krishna.
You see, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the combination of Radha and Krishna.
So sometimes he's in the mood of Radharani, he's crying for Krishna.
Sometimes he is in the mood of Radharani, he is crying for Krishna.
Sometimes he's in the mood of Krishna and he's very grateful.
Sometimes he is in the mood of Krishna and he is very grateful
For the devotion that devotees show him,
for the devotion that the devotees show him,
for the love that they show him.
for the love that they show him.
So, understanding Lord Chaitanya, one has to see things from a double vision.
So, understanding Lord Chaitanya, one has to see things from a double vision.
Sometimes he's two personalities in one.
Sometimes he is two personalities in one.
And so he can see what mood he's in at a particular time.
So, we should see what mood he is in a particular time.
শ্রীবাস মন্দিরে কি ভাব উঠিল তাহা কি বর্ণন হয় ভাবযুদ্ধ শনে আনন্দ ক্রন্দন উঠে কৃষ্ণ প্রেমময়
It is simply not possible to describe the ecstatic mood that arose in Srivasa's house at that time. Indeed, it was just like a great war of transcendental emotions were taking place within the battlefield of tears of joy, all arising due to ecstatic love for Krishna.
So Lord Chaitanya expressing that he and Lord Nityananda
So Lord Chaitanya is expressing that he and Lord Nityananda
are the sons of Srivas.
are the sons of Srivas.
And how he brought Srivas' dead son back to life.
And how he brought Srivasa's dead son to life, back to life.
And the dead son spoke
And the dead son spoke
from the absolute platform.
from the absolute platform.
All these things and more are witnessed by the devotees.
All these things were witnessed by the devotees.
And they became filled with ecstatic love of Krishna.
And they became filled with ecstatic love of Krishna.
Like crying tears of joy.
They were crying tears of joy,
It was overwhelming.
and it was overwhelming.
Everyone was filled with love of Krishna.
Everyone was filled with love of Krishna.
চারি ভাই পড়ি প্রভুর চরণে প্রেম গদ গদ স্বরে কাঁদিয়া কাঁদিয়া কাকুতি করিয়া গড়ি যায় প্রেম ভরে
Then the four brothers of the dead boy came over and fell down at Lord Chaitanya's lotus feet and began weeping and wailing with piteous voices choked with ecstatic love. Then they began rolling on the ground, overflowing with pure love while humbly petitioning the Lord as follows.
ওহে প্রাণেশ্বর এ হেন বিপদ প্রতিদিন যেন হয় যাহাতে তোমারও চরণ যুগলে আসক্তি বাড়িতে রয়।
They said, O Lord of our lives, if calamities like this would happen every day, then that would only increase our deep loving attachment to your lotus feet.
The devotees should see
So the devotees should see
everything that happens as the mercy of Krishna.
everything that happens as the mercy of Krishna.
And they are getting that realization
And they were getting that realization
by the ecstatic, loving situation with Lord Chaitanya.
by the ecstatic loving situation by Lord Chaitanya.
Although there was a calamity in the house,
But although there was a calamity in the house,
somehow as the result, they're having deep remembrance of Krishna.
they were having deep remembrance of Krishna.
That was expressed in more and more love for Krishna.
That has expressed more and more love for Krishna.
Being in this material world, one is forced to go through different changes of birth, death, old age, and disease.
Being in this material world, one is forced to go through the different changes of birth, death, old age, and disease.
These are the real problems of life.
These are the real problems of life.
By remembering Krishna,
By remembering Krishna,
one is freed from these problems and can go to the spiritual world.
one is freed from this problem and can go back to the spiritual world.
One can appreciate the great mercy of Krishna.
If one can appreciate the great mercy of Krishna,
Although we have turned our face away from Krishna,
although we have turned our face away from Krishna,
and we're not in the material world, we are not very God conscious.
in the material world we are not very God conscious.
But if we really remember the Lord,
If we remember the Lord,
if we actually remember the Lord,
if we actually remember the Lord,
then that is the greatest treasure.
and then that is the greatest treasure.
বিপদ সম্পদে সেই দিন ভালো যেদিন তোমারে স্মরি, তোমার স্মরণ রহিত যেদিন সেই দিন বিপদ হরি।
This calamity of losing our brother today is actually our great fortune. For on this day we are remembering your Lordship. If on some other day, if we are bereft of your remembrance, then that day is actually the real calamity for us, O Lord.
So this verse explains how remembrance of the Lord is the greatest.
So this verse explains how the remembrance of the Lord is the greatest
Good fortune.
good fortune,
And how forgetfulness of the Lord
and how the forgetfulness of the Lord
is the greatest calamity.
is the greatest calamity.
শ্রীবাস গোষ্ঠীর চরণে পড়িয়া ভকতে বিনোদ, ভনে তোমাদের গোরা কৃপা বিতরিয়া দেখাও দুর্গত জনে।
Falling down at the feet of Srivas Pandita's entire family, Bhakti Vinoda thus narrates how they are Lord Gaurasundara, bestowing his causeless mercy upon the distressed souls.
Not only Srivas Pandit, but the entire family
Not only Srivas Pandit, but his entire family
are filled with loving devotion
are
for Krishna.
filled with loving devotion for Krishna.
Bhaktivinoda Thakur falls at their lotus feet
So Bhakti Vinod Thakur falls at their lotus feet
as he narrating how Lord
Gauranga
is giving his special mercy
giving his special mercy
to all the fallen souls.
to all the fallen souls. Thus ends the chapter remembrance of the Lord is actual wealth and forgetfulness of Him is actual calamity.
In this material world,
In this material world,
we calculate what's great good fortune and what's calamity based on.
in this material world, we calculate one's great good fortune and one's calamity based on
Sense gratification.
based on sense gratification.
What will make us happy sensually?
What would make us happy sensually?
What will make us distressed?
What would make us distressed?
Sometimes devotees during this pandemic
Sometimes devotees during this pandemic,
are losing near and dear ones,
they are losing their dear ones
and then they feel very distressed.
and they feel very distressed.
Well, actually, they should feel distressed if they forget Krishna,
But actually, they should feel distress if they forget Krishna,
and they should somehow think how they'll help their near and dear ones remember Krishna at the time of leaving the body.
they should somehow think that how they should help their dear ones to remember Krishna at the time of leaving their body.
Since we have to leave our body,
Since we have to leave our body,
we should leave it in Krishna consciousness.
we should live in Krishna conscious.
We should live in the remembrance of Krishna.
We should live in the remembrance of Krishna.
I heard how some devotees lost their near and dear one,
I heard that some devotees lost their dear ones
and they put Ganges water on their head.
and they put Ganges water on their head.
And this way,
So in this way,
they get a special blessing.
they gave a special blessing. Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances. Could you please explain why the soul need to take a new body in spiritual world? Whether the soul himself is Sat, Sachid Anandamoy. Question by your servant Shuvra De Bhabu.
In the material world, our spiritual body is dormant,
In the material world, our spiritual body is dormant.
and the soul is just a small
The soul is just small
chit particle,
chit particle,
1/10,000th the tip of a hair.
1/10,000 of the tip of the hair.
But in the spiritual world,
But in the spiritual world,
our soul expands
our soul expands
into a spiritual body,
into the spiritual body,
which is not different from ourselves,
which is not different from ourselves.
and that is Satchidananda.
And that is Sachidananda.
We don't actually have to take a new body.
So we don't actually have to take a new body.
We regain our original form.
We will regain our original form.
But since the normal situation
But since the normal situation
in the material world
in the material world
is that when we leave this body,
that we leave this body,
when we leave the body,
when we leave the body,
we take a new body.
we take a new body.
So that's the general principle.
So that's a general principle.
But we go back to the spiritual world,
But when we go back to the spiritual world,
we manifest our original body,
we manifest our original body,
our original form,
our original form,
which is Satchidananda.
which is Sachidananda. Dear most Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. For Mother Medini Devi Dasi, Guru Maharaj, it is due to the Sukriti that me and my husband cannot live with the devotees and be happy advancing in our Krishna consciousness. Is Krishna who decide that? What we can do? Thank you for your mercy and care. Just on behalf of Ishvara Parameshwara and Medini Devi Dasi.
I don't know why you and your husband
I don't know why you and your husband
can't live with devotees
can't live with devotees
happily.
happily.
Is that because of your being positive with COVID-19?
That is because of you being positive with COVID-19.
Therefore you're in self-quarantine
Therefore, you are self-quarantined
to cure the disease.
to cure the disease.
I mean, unfortunately, this pandemic is going around the world,
I mean, unfortunately, this pandemic is going around the world.
and if one proves positive, then he may spread it to others.
If one is positive, then he may spread it to all, to others.
So they keep such people separated, quarantined
They keep such people separated, quarantined
until they're cured,
until they are cured.
and they can associate with devotees.
Then they can associate with devotees.
So we have some alternative treatments
So we have some alternative treatments
which help some devotees
which help some devotees
who have the early symptoms.
who have these early symptoms.
But if they become very advanced,
But if they become very advanced,
it's quite difficult
it is quite difficult
to cure.
to cure.
And now, non-treatment,
There is no treatment,
but they try different things.
but they try different things.
So we hope that
So we hope that
it will become recovered,
you
will be recovered,
will be recovered
and you can associate with devotees.
and you can associate with devotees.
If there's some other reason why you can't associate with devotees,
If there is some other reason that why you can't associate with devotees,
I don't know.
I don't know.
You're not. You can write me a letter. You can write me a letter
You can write me a letter
on my email,
to my email.
and I consider your situation.
I would consider your situation.
It's not a philosophical issue, that is a personal issue.
It's not a philosophical issue, that's a personal issue. Question. Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj, please accept my Dandavat Pranam.
Accept it.
I have heard that it is not good to offer pranam to anyone taking japa bead in hand. But in chanting time, if Vaishnavas come there, and then what we can do? If we stop chanting to pranam that Vaishnava, then it will be tough to complete 16 rounds. Again, if I do not show respect to Vaishnava for chanting, then it will be a Vaishnava aparadha. Your insignificant disciple, Mitra Pundarika Dasa.
You see, at the end of after Tulsi Puja,
You see, at the end of after Tulasi Puja,
we offer our pranam to all the Vaishnavas.
we offer our pranams to all the Vaishnavas. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyevacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha.
Unless the Guru or some sannyasi comes in,
Unless the Guru or some sannyasis come there,
you don't have to offer again obeisances.
you don't have to offer again obeisances.
You offer to everyone at that time.
You offer to everyone at that time.
And the point is that
And the point is that
your deeds and your bag should not touch the ground.
your beads and your bag should not touch the ground.
If you offer obeisances on your deeds on your head,
If you offer obeisances, your beads on your head,
then that shouldn't be a problem.
then there shouldn't be a problem.
Point is that, as I understand, We should not touch the ground with our beads or bag.
We should not touch the grounds with the beads in our hand.
Bead or the bag.
Beads or the bag.
Prabhupada was also criticizing
Prabhupada was also criticizing
if people put the bag on this asana
people, those who put their beads on the asana,
because our feet go on the asana.
because our feet goes on the asana.
It's a very simple principle that
That's a very similar principle that
we don't put our beads where our feet are.
we don't put the beads where our feet are.
Since we consider the beads to be very sacred, tulasi, and
So since we consider the beads to be very secret, tulasi or secret tulasi.
thank you very much.
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.